Very important announcement from the government withdrawing 2000 rupees currency notes from the market. How income tax is going to affect when you deposit this cash? Hello everyone. As you all know, very important announcement from the government withdrawing 2000 rupees currency notes from the market. So what is next? Now for the public, you have two options left. Either you can deposit this cash in the bank or you can exchange maximum up to 20,000 rupees at a time at a money bank. This is a outcome, and that option also available till September 30th, 2023. We done a very detailed video on the impact of this particular notification. Now in this video, very important informations for NRIs. Even this video even applicable even for common resident as well. But since Pravasi Tax channel is more focusing on NRIs, we would like to highlight more from a NRI's perspective. How income tax is going to affect when you deposit this cash. Here, two important aspects you need to understand very clearly. When you deposit, for example, you're depositing 10 lakh, 20 lakhs in the banks, one important thing you should know, you should have a proper explanation for the source. And that explanation also to be the satisfactory to the assessing officer. So if you don't give a proper explanation, and in case the explanation is not happy with the income tax officer, there are two sections is very important to trigger. One is section 68, which is talks about unexplained cash credit. Another section 69A, unexplained money. Both sections are significant tax impact because the tax rate is 60% and surcharge is 25%. Then you can imagine the total exposure when you don't have a proper explanation for such cash deposits. This is one side of a transactions. Assume whatever you deposit and you're going to give a proper explanation, then there are certain things you should keep in mind. Especially in India, certain cash transactions has been restricted, especially on the real estate side and the loans and advances. More than 20,000 rupees cash is not allowed. So we have done a very detailed video on these aspects on our Pravasi Tax channel. Please do watch those videos. And also in India, 2 lakh rupees cash is restricted on most of the transactions. You cannot give a explanation, especially on a cash gift from relatives, old gold sale, more than 2 lakh rupees as a cash. Again, penalty exposures are there. So the whole idea for doing this video, when you deposit cash, especially 2000 rupees currency notes, get the proper explanation, and that explanation also should be aligned with the income tax acts. Otherwise, there are consequential penalty and tax impact will be there. My recommendation is here, please do consult your chartered accountant or tax consultant if you are going to deposit significant amount of 2000 rupees currency in the bank the next coming weeks. Otherwise, there are other consequential impact will come because in India, more than 10 lakh rupees cash deposits by default, every bank reports to the income tax department as part of the mandatory reporting requirement. So that you may find on your AS or SFT in later stage. But having said, always get the proper guidance from your tax consultants before you get into such cash deposits. Hope this video is useful. Do subscribe Pravasi Tax channel. We keep on releasing more and more interesting videos for the NRS community.